I've always gone when I needed to find comfort and peace. The game of basketball has been everything to me.
His words from the Hall of Fame speech, a remarkable window. As Wright Thompson wrote, you should check it out on ESPN.com. It's a remarkable access that he had with Michael and his family. His friends laugh at that Hall of Fame speech. They say, that's the Michael we've known for years.
That speech surprised so many people with kind of the demeanor that Michael portrayed and almost the attitude, seemingly angry at many points of that speech. Good and bad. And honestly, with Michael Jordan, he's the greatest. He's the greatest. And some of that anger propelled him. Number 30 as the countdown continues, 88, first round of the playoffs, Bulls and Cavs, and he would average, Bob, 45.2 points per game in this series, scoring at least 50 in the first two games. They go up 3-2 and advance to take on the Pistons. That's sick.
Ever have the stomach flu, though, and you know how weak you feel? Could you play an NBA playoff game? You did. April 19th, 1988. 47 points against the Knicks, 20 in the first half. The Bulls emerged victorious in that game. And several times that Jordan Hill just went out and got the business done.
January 31st, 2002, Jordan's Wizards versus the Cavaliers was down 1.6 seconds to play. Watch. The shot yet again for Jordan against the Cavs. Wizards win by 1. The fist pump. Familiar.
Remember his first appearance at Madison Square Garden? Oh man, he's a child. 84, the steal and cradle it. Here it comes. He had so many remarkable moments at 7th Avenue and 33rd. Bulls won that game. Jordan had 33.
This is Eastern Conference Semis, Game 3, Bulls and Knicks back in '92. Very physical game. He gets that bucket and won. And look at the emotion as he comes back down to earth. The Bulls win 94-86. Not done with this series yet.
No, Game 7. It's a brutal physical series. Look at the hustle. Makes the basket. Steals the inbounds pass. Loses the ball. And comes back. Xavier McDaniel, no, you're not. Bulls won Game 7 in the series. And look into those eyes. You can see why.
Number 24, March of '98. Bulls and Knicks again. Jordan driving and comes up with this. That's when it's just not fair. And the reaction, licking the fingers, 42 points that night.
Eastern semifinals, Game 4 in '93 against the Cavs. Yes, sir. As time expires, 103-101. Remember that shot forever.
Oh, yes. 22, March of '90. Jordan would have the Cavs number once again. He'd score 69 points this time, 18 rebounds. You got to apologize to the city of Cleveland a lot in this countdown. Both of those were career highs. Bulls defeat the Cavs in overtime. It was a close game despite 69 points, 4-point win.
And he goes back to the Garden in '95. He wore 45 for a while in his first comeback. 55 against the Knicks. Dropped that double nickel in front of Spike Lee and the guys. Bulls won it. He continued counting down. We're down to number 21 with it. A whole bunch of plays left to go on Michael's 50th birthday and the tweets